In this video, we'll talk about spring months. Hi, and welcome to our channel. I'm Marc Santamaria. I'm a US English teacher and immigration lawyer. We post weekly videos of English for English learners. We also post US immigration law videos. In our previous video, we talked about winter months. Let's continue and talk about spring months. This is Reina, and she'll practice with us if she wants. She'll pretend she's you, and I'll talk with her as a friend. We're gonna talk about months. Hello, how are you? I'm doing well. And you? I'm happy? Why are you happy? Because it's April and Easter is coming soon. What will you do in Easter? I will eat dinner with my family. Great! I hope you will have a nice dinner. Let's check our understanding and pronunciation of the conversation. What does Easter is coming soon mean? It means Easter is very, very close. What does "what will you do on Easter" mean? It means we want to know what you want to do for Easter. For example, you can say, "What will you do on your birthday?" Can you say it? Nice. What do you want to do on your birthday? And in this conversation, we ask, what will you do on Easter? Can you say it again? Nice. What does "I will eat dinner with my family" mean? For example, I will in the future eat dinner with my family. So you can say, I will eat lunch with my friend as another example. And can you say it? Nice. I will eat lunch with my friend. And in this conversation, we say, I will eat dinner with my family. Can you say it? Nice. What does "I hope you will have a nice dinner" mean? It means hopefully you will have a good dinner. For example, you can also say, I hope you will have a nice day. Can you say it? Nice. I hope you will have a nice day. And in this conversation, we say, I hope you will have a nice dinner. Can you say it again? Nice. Good job. If you want to know what I will do on Easter, what should you ask me? Nice. What will you do on Easter? Can you say it again? Good. Now let me ask you, what will you do on Easter? Nice. Next, let's learn some more spring vocabulary. What are the spring months in the US? I'm sure you know they are March, April, and May. How do you pronounce them in English? Please repeat after me. March. March. Your turn. March. Next is April. 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 Your turn. Nice. Next is May. 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 Your turn. Great. Let's spell all the months in English. March is spelled M-A-R-C-H. March. Can you say it? Good. Let's spell April. A-P-R-I-L. April. Can you say it? Good. Next is May. M-A-Y. Can you say it? Good. If someone asks you what you will do in the spring, what will you say? Nice. For me, I will feed my cat. Nice job. In the next video, we'll talk about scheduling an appointment. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and write a comment below. God bless.